Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 1 to 4, Summary and MCQ. I repeat again, our today's topic is Chapter 3, topic Summary and MCQ, Lesson 1 to 4. Now, my dear students, look at both. What can you see here? You will see three pictures which I have added for your betterment, which are closely related to our today's content also. Look at the first one. Here we will see, like human beings, animals need nutrition for their survival. They also need protein, carbohydrate, fats, minerals, vitamins and water. In the second picture, we see plants suffer from different nutrient deficiency. In the third picture, we see cows are feeding. These are the description of our today's three pictures. Now, we will read the summary of our today's lesson. Our today's topic, the name of our today's chapter is Agricultural Equipment. For animals, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals, salt are the sources of nutrients. For cultured fishes and domestic animals, the food supplements called feeds are important to have the expected production. Elements of plant nutrition. Plant draws some elements from soil, air and water for nutrition and growth. These are called essential elements. In want of any of these basic elements, plants cannot live well. The deficiency symptoms of one nutrient cannot be fulfilled by another nutrient. Now, classification of essential nutrient elements. A. Macronutrients. There are 9 macronutrients. These are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. These are the 9 macronutrients. These nutrients are used in large quantities for natural growth of the plants. Now, micronutrients. 8 essential elements are needed in trace amount. These are called micronutrients. These are iron, manganese, molybdenum, copper, zinc, boron, chlorine and cobalt. Though they are applied in small quantities, these are essential for the completion of their life cycle. Now, sources of essential elements. There are 2 major sources of essential elements. These are natural sources and artificial sources. Now, functions of essential elements. Nitrogen at first. It keeps the plants green, plays a role in the development and growth of leaves, stems and branches. Phosphorus. It makes the root of the plants firm. It helps timely flowering and ripening crops. Potassium. It helps in developing and strengthening the stem. It increases disease resistance in plants. Calcium. It helps in the development of roots and growth of plants. It gives energy to plant cells. Magnesium. It helps in the photosynthesis. It increases absorption of phosphorus in plants. Now, sulfur. It increases production of oil crops. It helps in the development of noodles in the leguminous crops. Now, zinc. It helps in the production of flowers and fruits. It helps in the development of chlorophyll, which is properly done in the broad daylight. Iron. Takes part in the production of chlorophyll in plants, increases quality of crops. Essential nutrient elements for domestic animals. Here in the picture number 3, we will see the domestic animals. Animals need nutrition for survival very similarly to human beings. Their feed must contain all the essential nutrients elements to support their body growth, repair of losses and development of resistance to disease. Feed on domestic animals should contain 6 nutrient elements. For examples, number 1 protein, 2 carbohydrate, 3 fat and oily substances, 4 vitamins, 5 minerals and 6 number is water. Now balanced feed for domestic animals, a feed in which all the nutrient elements are present in due proportion is called a balanced feed. Such a feed is highly required by the animals. Now the feed should be tasteful and easily digestible and should contain fiber and grain in adequate proportions. These are the summary of our today's lesson. Now we will go to our question pattern, that means MCQ. Now give your attention. Look at the first one. How many essential elements are there for plant nutrition? Options 11, 13, 17, 20. Can you guess what will be the correct answer? Yes, we have got here 9 plus 8. The total answer will be 17. Yes, C number is correct one. To fulfill carbon and hydrogen requirements, plants need options water, soil, air. Which one of the following is correct? A 1 and 3, B 1 and 2, 2 and 3, D 1, 2, 3. Can you guess what will be the correct answer? Yes, correct answer will be A 1 and 3. Now number 3, which is a macronutrients? Option iron, copper, carbon, boron. Yes, correct answer will be carbon. How many nutritional elements can plants get from the soil? Options 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, correct answer will be 14. Number 5, which is a macronutrients? Options phosphorus, sulfur, molybdenum, boron. Yes, correct answer will be molybdenum. In the passage you will get the direct answer. Now number 6, how many sources do plants obtain their essential nutrients from? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer will be 2. Number 7, which is a natural source of plant nutrients? Option cow dung, waste, soil, straw. Correct answer will be soil. Now 8 number MCQ. Which elements increases the resistance capacity of the plants against disease? Option potassium, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus. Correct answer will be potassium. Number 9, which elements helps the plants to bear flowers and fruits regularly? Options potassium, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus. Correct answer will be phosphorus. Which element makes the plants green in color? We all know this answer. The options are potassium, calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus. Yes, correct answer is nitrogen. 11 number MCQ. Which nutrient deficiency hampers the cell division of plants? Options potassium, calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus. Correct answer will be phosphorus. Number 12 MCQ. Which is a source of carbohydrate? Option oil cake, pulse, treacle, wheat. Very common answer, wheat. 13 number MCQ. Which is a source of fat and oil? Option molasses, straw, wheat, sunflower. Correct answer will be sunflower. Read the following description and answer the question 14 and 15. Shojib learned from his father that the nutrient element essential for plant are of two categories. One of these is needed in a very small quantity but is very important for the completion of the life cycle of the plants. Now MCQ number 14. How many micronutrients for plants are there? Answer is 8. Yes, micronutrients, 8 micronutrients are seen. Number 15. The nutrient elements that Shojib's father mentioned about are options manganese and molybdenum, phosphorus and sulfur, chlorine and cobalt. Which one of the following is correct? Options 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer will be 1 and 3. Now I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Read the text again and again, keep practicing at home, eat a balanced diet, take physical exercise regularly and abide by your parents. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.